Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. If I could get my camera to stay. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside and what you can purchase. Links will be down below. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. The month is almost over and Prime Day is coming fast. So get ready, guys. We got Prime Day sales going on now, so take advantage. All I gotta do is click that link down below. And we got one of these. Oh, baby. Here we go. I've got a little note. This is coming from PiPiShell. PiPiShell. Alright, PiPiShell. There we go. There we go. There we go. Drop it down. Desk organizer from PiPiShell. See? PiPiShell. I don't know if you guys could read it, but there we go. Model PID 002. Bada boom, bada bing. Get your office area organized more. Start fresh for the new school year. Since you guys are in summertime now. I remember those days. Actually, I do miss them. Here we go. Yeah, this is nice. You could do it for like TTMs, for like autograph collecting, sports cards, stuff like that. You can organize more. You got, ooh, nice little, all you small business owners might want this too. A nice little shelf. You could put a few like paper clips, sticky notes, stuff like that. You got something for here, notepads or whatnot, paperwork, pens, pencils, Sharpies. You're all set. So like I said, this would be a good one to get for anybody, to be honest. Lightweight. Looks good on a desk. Can't go wrong with this one. This should be a short video. I mean, it's pretty much simple. What is that? Got a little thingy at the bottom. A little stopper, like the sliders. Put that somewhere. Oh, there's an extra one. So there it is. The PiPiShell desk organizer. Link will be down below. Get it now before they sell out, because they got good deals going on now with the Prime Day sale. You guys have a good weekend. Take it easy. Stay cool.